I suggest that urgent issues, like what you said, pollution, other issues, SIR, which are it is a huge issue for democracy. What is going on? Whether it's the election situation or the SIR, these are huge issues. Let's discuss them. What is Parliament for? Let's discuss them. Let them have a discussion. It's not drama. Speaking about issues, raising issues is not drama. Drama is not allowing discussion. Drama is not having a democratic discussion about issues that matter to the public. We've spoken about pollution. Why are we not raising it? Why are we not allowed to? Today I've asked for 0 hour on it. Why are we not allowed to discuss these things?
Congress demanded a debate on pollution in Parliament, but when the Environment Minister stood ready to respond, instead of engaging with questions, MPs chose to complain loudly. The opposition disrupted the session with continuous sloganeering, blocking any productive discussion on this critical issue.
I really feel that it's shameful, the situation. This is the capital city of our country. It's a shameful situation. And I feel that we should set aside politics, all parties. We should put all the forces together, administrative, political, civil society, judicial, and we should take some strong steps, because how can we do this to our children? I mean, there are 2.2 lakh, no, not 2.2 lakh, there are 22 lakh children today who have permanent damage to their lungs, apparently, according to a study, due to the kind of situation there is. There are old people who are suffering, people who have asthma already, people who have other respiratory issues. Hospitals are full of respiratory issues. How can we just sit here and do nothing? So I really feel that all of us should get together and all of us should take strong steps, and we are here to support the government if they do it. Central government and state government must take immediate action.
माननीय सदस्यगण, ये प्रश्नकाल है। मैं पुनः आग्रह कर रहा हूं, जनता ने आपको नारेबाजी करने के लिए नहीं भेजा है, सदन चलाने के लिए भेजा है। मेरा आग्रह
Congress demanded a debate on pollution in Parliament, but when the Environment Minister stood ready to respond, instead of engaging with questions, MPs chose to complain loudly. The opposition disrupted the session with continuous sloganeering, blocking any productive discussion on this critical issue. Recently, Delhi CM Rekha Gupta has launched a CSR-funded program to distribute heaters, aiming to reduce pollution caused by wood and coal burning.
प्रदूषण के खिलाफ दिल्ली का युद्ध जो है, उस श्रृंखला में दिल्ली सरकार के द्वारा ये पॉजिटिव प्रयास एक और, जिसमें बायोगैस फ्यूल, जो हमारे यहाँ लकड़ी जलाने से, जो कोयला जलाने से लगातार दिल्ली के प्रदूषण का एक इनपुट बनता है, उसको कम करने के लिए हमने आज ये प्रयास शुरू किया है कि हम दिल्ली में RWS को 10,000 हीटर देंगे CSR के माध्यम से, और जनता को ये प्रेरित करेंगे, कहीं भी किसी भी ब्लॉक में कहीं भी लोग, चौकीदार या बाकी लोग भी लकड़ी जला करके प्रदूषण का कारक ना बने। इस प्रयास के द्वारा हमें उम्मीद है कि सभी RWS को हम जागृत कर पाएंगे, प्रेरित कर पाएंगे कि वो अपने अपने एरिया में इस चीज़ का ध्यान रखें कि किसी तरीके की भी लकड़ी ना जले, कोयला ना जले, और उनको इलेक्ट्रिक हीटर दे करके हम अपने चौकीदार भाइयों को एक सहायता देंगे, एक सुविधा देंगे, और दिल्ली के प्रदूषण को कम करने में हमारी ओर से मदद मिलेगी। जरूरी है दिल्ली की जनता, दिल्ली की RWS, दिल्ली के लोग और दिल्ली के प्रदूषण से परेशान हर व्यक्ति को इसमें सहयोग देना होगा।
The pollution crisis demands urgent action, and while Congress calls for debate, disruptions prevent progress. Meanwhile, the Delhi government's proactive efforts show that real solutions require cooperation from all sides to protect public health and secure a cleaner future.